Hi everybody, welcome back to Eastport. Just wanted to do you a little update on stuff that I've done last few days. We'll start off with the little mishap that we had, putting that screwdriver through the blade. I've managed to replace the point, and obviously just now got a weather in the track, so it looks the same as it was before, hopefully. So we've done that. A little small cost, unfortunately, and a lot of annoyance, but it's done and works, and we'll give it a test out in the mojo. The lights that weren't working on that building, they are now, obviously. Here, when we measured everything for the layout, I'm just going to show you now. As you can see, my controller just fits just nicely underneath the baseboard. Didn't have my brain in gear, and yeah, this is what, 5 centimeters lower than the rest. So the wire is just literally connected there, and I managed to pull the wire out. So it was something simple, easy fix, and yeah, looks nice. Just gonna spin myself around in my trusty chariot. So we've measured up all the wood for this corner, the back scene there, and obviously where the tram will continue along. So we've measured all that the other day over the weekend. I'm kind of thinking substation, maybe. Don't know, just a thought that was crossed my mind. Not sure if it'd be a bit too close to the track. If you've got any ideas, possibly what can go. It just looks a bit bland for me. So yeah, some ideas would be appreciated to fill in this area. Obviously we're going to get some signals and line side huts and all the other stuff that you find along the trackside in the middle there. I'm not too worried about that, but that area just needs something, really, something of interest. So then we come round. I'm just going to again spin myself around. So we come to, as I said in my main video, let's have a look. There we go. Mumbai interchange. It came from, oops, apologies. As you know, I've got no fingers, so a little bit difficult. So yeah, we done all the brickwork. I think you can see at the back there, some signage, all the seating, couple of bins. Yeah, and it came out very nice, I think. So yeah, Mumbai came from my wife Monica. Obviously, Bay, 2 reasons. 1, I wanted to keep obviously with the port theme. 2, I watched that world's busiest train stations, Mumbai. So Mumbai, yeah. And that's how we came up with the name. Interchange, obviously, because we're going to have the train station, the tram station that leads to, I don't know, the airport, and then just in this area, once we get the top part, we're going to have the bus station, which I've already kind of cut out, ready. Done the top part. This is ready for the main building. We'll have a little taxi rank just here, and then we'll have a little zebra crossing. Left some gap there because possibly wouldn't mind those the ones from, is it Gauge Master? I think they do some that light up. It's got a little battery pack with it, and it'd be easy accessible, switch on and off. So yeah, it's all screwed down and nice and flat and ready. So I'm still fighting with the dust. So that's kind of what I've been doing this last couple of days. Lots of measuring, lots of clean. Well, I've started a cleaner. I don't want to do too much because obviously the more woodwork equals more dust, more sanding. Obviously it's not easy for me just to go outside and do it. Well, we're just going to run the trains out looking nice. It'll look really good once we get the back scenes here in place, and we're just going to enjoy the moment, shall we say. Lots of blood, sweat and tears. Definitely lots of blood. It was one of the boards I was vigorously cleaning the track and managed to rip one of my little stumpies apart. Bled a little bit more than I'd have liked to. But so much for a vascular problem, eh? So we're just going to watch it come round. As you can see, it just absolutely beautiful loco. Just nice and smooth, nice and quiet. I'm just going to lay it round through the tunnel and past the scrap part. This looks beautiful. Past the old signal box. We're just going to follow it down. As you can see, it seems to run like a dream. And I'll just wait for it to come into Eastport now, and then we'll run the other one around. And there we go. And we're gonna see if we move the other one. If we can get the right direction. Oops, I do apologise. You know the reasons, I'm not going to keep going on about it. Oh dear. I'm just going to spin myself around. While that's just moving a little bit, we're going to join these two tracks together, and we're going to put a piece just along the wall there, 3 inches, and that will become a head shunt. So we was going to do that semicircle, but we've decided against that. Sorry, I've decided against that. Just having issues with connection. I'm just going to run this one a bit quickly around. Nice class 108. All the points are working. I've just got one that I seem to have a problem with just there. It was working. I don't know why it stopped. Checked all the connections, all the crimps. It just seems to have stopped on me. But it's not a priority at the moment. As a priority for me is saving up the pennies to try and change this for a Z21, and then I can then use the router, my mobile phone. I don't have to do all this. You know, I can use my phone with me, or keep the phone with me, and there we go. It goes into 1A. And let's just have a look while you're on the phone, as they say. I think it's possibly that. There we go. Got a nice class 47 here. It's got a bit of an issue at the moment because I bought it. It's got no bolts in the bottom. I need to get hold of some of them from, I'm guessing, from Bachmann. But nevertheless, just want to show you that I'm not going to run it all the way around. I'll just put it to the point there. As you can see, over no problem at all. So yeah. Again, everything's running nice and smoothly. Just I really need to do a good clean. Like I say, I want to do all the woodwork first, get all that done and out of the way with, and hopefully I can then start getting on top of things. Let's get a roof on that as well. We wouldn't want all them parcels getting wet now, would we? Well, thanks for watching. I will do another update soon, and yeah, see you next time. Thanks everybody.